Right in the middle of everything, this Classic Colonial Revival is in the highly desirable neighborhood of Speer, which is actually very close to Wash Park and some of the best restaurants and shops in Denver, Colorado. Built in 1900, the original charm and details have been preserved with its exposed original brick walls, gorgeous authentic hardwoods, and meticulously restored moldings and doors. The star of the show is the chef's kitchen, featuring concrete countertops, to-the-ceiling cabinetry, a gas range, and a walk-in pantry. The living and dining rooms effortlessly flow into the open space with a fully updated, luxurious main-level full bathroom and 2 spacious bedrooms. Up the restored original staircase is the primary suite and flex space. This space offers many options, such as a home office, gym, or second living area, and has a balcony to enjoy morning coffee or afternoon sunsets. The primary suite showcases a newly installed bathroom addition featuring dual sinks and a spacious walk-in shower. This is the perfect home for entertaining or everyday living, with its landscaped backyard, deck, grass space, built-in grill, and an oversized garage or party pavilion. This location and home cannot be beat. I'm Claudine Phillips with the Phillips team. Reach out to me today and I will personally take you on a tour.